Ever wanted to see your Lego cars drive off on their own? Introducing the Lego Road Chain System. It's a fully 3D printed solution, easy to print on a standard printer, and quick to assemble. It is robust enough to be handled by kids. It's compatible with the original Lego road plates, so you can mix and match to extend your existing roads. But how does it work? The 3D printed plates are fitted with actual Lego 2x2 plates, so they are as sturdy and reusable as the original Lego road plates. The base plates are snapped together with a 2x4 plate. A fully 3D printed chain is fitted with a small magnet and runs through the base track. The surface plates are then clicked onto the 2x4 connectors. Each car is also fitted with a small magnet, and when the chain is moved, these magnets will pull the car along, making the wheels spin in the process. The chain hooks into a sprocket, which is driven by a servo and powered by 4 batteries. The speed and direction of the cars can be controlled with a servo tester. You can get these electronics for $10 or less. The plates come in 2 different looks. The actual Lego plate look, but also a plain look, without the grooves and notches, so it can be used for model railroad or die-cast cars. The system handles a full range of vehicles, from the tiniest bikes or skateboards to the most massive trucks. You can create layouts of any size, from a simple loop to a track spanning multiple meters. Check out the description below for information on how to start building your own Lego road chain system.